Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up abandoned cart recovery on your Shopify store so you can automatically remind customers to finish their purchase. First, go to your Shopify admin, click on settings, then checkout. Scroll to the abandoned checkout section and turn on the option to automatically send emails to customers who leave without completing their order. Choose when to send the email. Most stores see good results, sending it within a few hours. Shopify has a built in abandoned cart email template, but you can customize it by going to settings, then notification, and editing the abandoned checkout email. Change the text to match your brand and add a discount code or include product images to make it more effective. Once you save your changes, Shopify will automatically send your customized email to customers who abandoned their carts, helping you recover lost sales with no extra effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify tutorials to grow your store.